Hey y'all, so we are out, another vlog with the Hey family, and I wanted to start off this vlog with a bang. So we just got a rental car, okay, and I'm not used to this car, I'm not gonna lie. We just had it for about 20 minutes and I went into the wrong car. We went to McDonald's real quick and I went and opened this lady car. She was so sweet, but y'all, I went to this, I was ready to get into the car and it was the wrong car.
Who had to save the day?
It can't even, like, the crazy thing is, I was like, oh yeah, it's the same exact model, same car. No, it's not. It wasn't. It was just a black car. But nonetheless, we are headed out. We just got, like I said, we got the rental car. We're about to get some food, about to head out and ride out to Tampa. So spend the time with us. We're gonna go to Tampa for the weekend and show you what we do. We're gonna trade, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna have family time and bring you along with us. So, and ooh, shopping, we're gonna do that too. All right, so we'll take you on the road. Let me put my seatbelt on. Bye. All right, y'all, so we are back in our neck of the woods. We just met the family. Sorry, everybody. My cat was literally walking outside in the cold. It's cold. To get pizza, his favorite food. Ugh, we're cold, right, Nolan? Yeah. We're in downtown Tampa. Just want to get some food, go to sleep really and truly, because I know we have to wake up early to trade. So, trying to get this little one fed and in bed as soon as possible so I can go to sleep. Because I've been up since 5 o'clock because he made me go to the gym. Side note, I'm grateful for him. Thank you, D, for making me go to the gym. I wasn't gonna go because I was like not feeling it, but I'm glad I went because I had a nice little workout. Shout out to you, Reese, helping me out. Y'all, I suck at the gym. I don't want to think about it. I hate it. I hate going to the gym, but I know I need to. And this is why I need to, because we eating pizza at 9 o'clock at night. This is why I have to go to the gym.
This is just the only thing that's...
You know, this is the only thing that's open, something that's gonna be good for all of us. Y'all, side note, we told him we were gonna rent a car, right? Mike was having this conversation with Nolan. He's like, oh, we're gonna rent a car to go to Tampa. And he was like, oh yeah, which one you getting a Lambo or a Tesla? I was like, no, what does this kid know about? Yes, you did, that's what Daddy said you said. No, I didn't. Yes, you did, but okay, whatever.
So sign up.
What do sign say? That's for you. That's for you.
See how it worked out?
That's for you. That's definitely your sign.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Do it slow. Put it up.
I'll eat it now.
Hey y'all, good morning. We are our first full day here in Tampa. We're about to actually trade. We got ready for the game already. So we're about to trade the game. We gotta leave a little bit earlier than we normally would, but nonetheless, we're gonna see what the market gives us. Happy New Year's Eve. Today is New Year's Eve. Last trading day of 2026. Oh Lord, 2025. My gosh, I'm already in 2026. Last trading day of 2025. Last live of 2025. So how cool is that? We're here with Nolan. We gotta try to be quiet a little bit so that we can trade, right? And then we're gonna go to the game. So
Myself.
look at Mike. Mike's over here. I give him the desk because he's
We have 2 pictures.
but yeah, pretty cool. I got my new travel suitcase. I love this. The new, what's it called? So it's new.
I don't know because I don't have one.
You don't know.
But I tried it out and I actually really love it, so I'm gonna get the other pieces to the set. So I'm excited. But anywho, y'all, we about to trade live. The market's about to open. Let's see what these markets
I'm saying
Wall Street
cash.
want to do. You gonna stay cash?
I'm gonna try my hardest to stay cash.
All right, we'll see. We'll check back in and let you know if he stays cash for real. All right, y'all. See you in a little bit. So cool, and I haven't had to get ready so quick. I hope my makeup
So we're
looks
just
good.
gonna trade and didn't take no trades today. Just
It wasn't doing anything crazy, and like Mike said, risking the money to possibly make what, $400 or possibly end the whole 2025 on a red trading day. That was too much to risk. So we just said, you know what, stay cash, and we gotta like rush to go to the game now. Hey, you know, we valeted yesterday. We valeted the car, but when we were valeting, they told us, or the valet guy told us, that there's no, you can valet if you want, if you're staying here,
look,
or you can find parking on the street. But I don't know of any on the street parking that's overnight. Y'all, literally, we're staying right here at this building. There's a parking lot right here. You see where that blue sign is? $15 per night. And overnight parking. And the man said, we was right there, said he don't know where in the city you can park overnight. So guess what? We checked the car out, and we're gonna park the car right over there. Are you crazy?
$40 plus tax.
Are you mad? Because it's not even about it's the principle of the big thing, right? He lied. Like, you drive past this every day. You see the big old blue sign right there? Be for real. So if you're ever staying downtown, you're staying at the Spring Hill Suites, downtown Tampa, and you drive a car, park right there, $15 per night, right there. You're welcome. I was annoyed because I don't mind paying for valet, right? I don't mind paying for the service. But don't tell me you a big old grown man or adult, and you do not see that sign and you don't know aware of it. You just want to make your coins. Like, come on now. You can hustle another way. Don't try to hustle me. We checked the car out. We're about to go try to get Nolan some breakfast because he said, you don't eat breakfast yet. So we're going to try to eat breakfast and make it to the game for noon.
I'm a creature with no skeleton inside your hands. Got no home address, I come and go as you command. And it's fine with me, and it's fine. I'm a bandit that you use to keep from bleeding out. I'm the lover you don't love, but love to keep around. And it's fine with me, promise that it's fine.
So we lost, y'all. Boo, whack. But it was, like Nolan said, we almost came back in the fourth quarter, made it very close. But nonetheless, we're about to drown our sorrows the best way we know how, retail therapy. We about to go to maybe his favorite store, top the T word, or in the mall. And then it's New Year's Eve, so we still gotta like get in that celebratory world. What time is it now? Like 3? Like almost 4? So we're gonna see what time the mall closes and stuff because we're not sure, and then figure out the rest of the evening. So come along with us. Y'all, look at this. He's snoring. He is snoring. Like literally tuckered out after he did his he got to his store, and that was it. We got to this place called Hyde Park Village. It's super cute. It has like a bunch of little shops. Y'all, I don't know if it's something that we get. I don't know if it's our type of shop, but it's super cute. Like it's
So I've seen like 3 Lambos and 4 Ferraris already.
Well, it's my type of shop. Yes, my type of environment. So it's super cute though. Like what we were gonna do is gonna walk around and kill some time, and the boy fell asleep. I think we can give him a little bit of, maybe like a good like 20 minutes to like take off the tired, I guess, and then go walk around. This place closes at 8. Everything is closing early because it's New Year's Eve. All right, so we'll see what we do next. These houses are so cute though. Look at them. They're so cute and picturesque. It's like a movie, you know? Hello, happy new year. We are refreshed. We're ready for dinner. We have reservations at this hibachi spot, and we're on this like main strip. What street is this? I don't know what street this is, but it's a main strip, and we have reservations for 8:15, and we're gonna fill our belly before we go and celebrate at home. We're in a new year, so we're excited to go. Right, Nolan? Yeah. So we're about to go in. Right, y'all, so we just finished having dinner at Katu, the Japanese steakhouse in Hibachi. It was a success. Great pick by yours truly. Everyone enjoyed their food, and I saved the day once again. Wife reward of the year of
You
2025.
saved the day by picking them.
I saved the day and the year. Okay, I had the UM and Ohio State game on my phone, so he could be watching it live because he was low-key salty that he had to come out and have New Year's dinner with his family instead of watching a bowl game. But I had it on my device, so he was quite happy and not sulking. So we're back. We're done. We're about to close out today. It was a really packed day of fun, and so grateful for the new year. As you can see, we're ready to ring in the new year, and when you see us again, it'll be 2026. All right, so see you in the new year or tomorrow. All right, guys, good night. Good night, Noni. Y'all, good morning. It is day 3 or our second full day here in Tampa, and we're up and we're about to, we actually had like a late morning. We kind of got to sleep in. We took advantage of being able to sleep in. The market is closed today, so we all got to sleep in. We're up ready to go. We have plans, but it depends on if things are open because it is New Year's Day. We're about to go to a diner, Metro Diner, to have breakfast, and we'll show you what we have. I love this place, and it opened like down by me, and then it got closed like right when I was pregnant. So when I was falling in love with it, it was closed down. So I hope it's the same place, same vibe, same everything. It's still kind of chilly, y'all. It's 58, but it's a little bit nicer to be out. So let's see what we're gonna do in Tampa for a full day, right, fam? Yay! Everybody look like they need a matcha or a shot of espresso. Everybody need a all right, let's go. All right, so we're at Metro Diner. This strawberry butter, I've been dreaming about it for 5 years. And Nola got his $silver pancake cakes. He already took a bite out of it. And Mike got chicken and waffles. And what's that, a croissant?
Croissant,
French toast. That sounds amazing. And we got like, what's it called? Hot sauce.
They just mix syrup with hot sauce, bro. And call it a cool name.
Okay, Nola's ready to eat. So,
you can eat, Nola. Go ahead.
go ahead, baby. He wants syrup, so I was just going to put plate.
What's that, please?
What does it say?
I think this might be cool.
What does it say?
Let's go.
You want to go here? Yeah, what does it look like? Can you read the sign?
The Florida Aquarium.
Hey.
Yes, we're definitely going in.
You definitely will.
And we're going in there right now.
What you said my favorite food is? Oh, man.
And you might see it in the aquarium. Are you going to grab it for daddy?
You'll give me a lobster, Nola? That's my favorite food?
Yeah, I'll buy a lobster for you.
Oh.
So I came into Gucci because I had a thought process, y'all, for our anniversary coming up in January. I needed like a shawl, and I just envisioned myself with this beautiful, you know, luxurious shawl. So we came into Gucci, and literally in like 5 minutes found the perfect one. It looks so good on my skin tone. I can't wait to show y'all. But yeah, just, you know, get what you want, I guess, out of this year. That's the energy I got. So I wanted it, so I was like, let me go get it.
Yeah, you never do it.
I never do it. I always say like I want something, or I'm like, oh, it's too much. No, man, it's not too much. You work hard. It's never too much.
Hey, we almost witnessed.
You almost missed it. What? You almost caught it. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you got our favorite one too.
Oh man. Thank you. So y'all see how life is? She gets Gucci and I get some water.
So I literally always say I want to do something, work hard, don't get it because I was like, oh, it's too much. Man, listen, you work, you earned it. So live your life and enjoy it while you can, because you never know, right?
Yeah.
So we're excited, we're having a good time. I think I'm done. I think I literally got which is not normal. That I usually get all the things that I'm like thinking about. It's crazy. Maybe I'm starting off the new year right? I usually like procrastinate or whatever. I'm like planning before, weeks ahead. So we're about to head out. I think we're about to go, and my kid's literally walking around watching the college football playoffs in the mall. So he's quite happy. This is the chillest shopping I've had in a while. So thank you, DirecTV. Appreciate your help. So yeah, we're about to head out. All right, y'all, we're about to close out our day from Tampa. We are here having dinner, about to watch another game, actually, and then do some back testing. Dinner is Shells. This was one of Mike's like childhood favorite restaurants. Hopefully it's the same thing. I don't know, the verdict is out. But then Mike has a thing for Hawaiian barbecue. We found this spot in Tampa. Mine and Nolan looks pretty decent here. And yeah, we're about to have dinner, do some work, watch some football, and then pass out. Yeah, I think we had a fun-filled day. This is the end of the day. We're done.
I'm talking about the pasta.
That might be it?
Yeah.
Okay. So y'all, it didn't look promising, I'm not gonna lie, but I think he's happy about the flavor.
Yeah, we used to tell him we should get this one with Dave.
Yeah, we used to. Yeah, that was one of our date spots that he took me to try to impress me and get But yes, so the last evening in Tampa, it's been good, and yeah, looking forward to getting back home. So see you all tomorrow. All right, good morning, y'all. We are leaving out. Sorry we didn't get on sooner, but we were actually on live trading, and it was a legit. Like, if I could have drawn up the first day of trading of 2026, I don't think I could have come up with a better trading day. Like,
Daniel,
it was beautiful. The Profits channel is, if you was on live, you know what's up. Like, I am so happy, I think, and I just think it's just a great showing of what the year has to hold. The biggest takeaway that everyone should have is, like, just staying disciplined, and then the trade gonna come to you. Like, I think, like, we didn't have to search for it. We didn't have to squint and beg and plead for it. The trade just came, and it was just beautiful. AMD, some people call it Tesla, some people call it SPY, some people call it Amazon. You see 100%, 150%, like, on runners. Like, what? How cool was that?
The discipline to, on winning days, keep your winning days good. Hold your runners, make your money. And on your, the problem is, we all know how to win. On losing days, to keep them losses small, the market's not agreeing with you, getting off of the computer. That's like the biggest thing.
So it was it was a great day. We are headed home. I ended the trip early because, yeah, I want to go back to my house. It's just long and short of it. We were booked to stay till tomorrow, but we got everything we wanted to do done yesterday. So, and Nolan's like, he's ready to go home. So everyone's ready to go home and get our new year started. I need to get my fitness life in order. So yes, we're headed home. So I hope you enjoyed your little trip with us here in Tampa and just seeing what it's like hanging out with us. This is us at home.
Arrive at your destination
and head out on the road.
Oh, we got another vlog coming in, what, 3 weeks, our anniversary. Don't tell them where
you don't know. So come back. In 3 weeks, we are headed out to another destination, and it's our 10-year wedding anniversary. So look out for that vlog. We're excited about that. I'm shopping currently to serve looks the whole trip. That's my goal. Right, Mike?
Serve looks.
Yeah.
So
Mike said he's serving naps. But y'all, we appreciate y'all. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.